Dear students, in this video we'll deal with the next topic, that is the Boyle's law. This is the first gas law. Boyle's law is given by Robert Boyle, and he has said that at constant temperature, if we increase the pressure on a gas, the volume will decrease. So this we can write mathematically as pressure is inversely proportional to volume. That is, if you increase volume, pressure will decrease, and if you decrease pressure, volume will increase, provided that the temperature and the mass of the gas is constant. Now, if you solve this P, if you remove this proportionality sign, we'll get a constant 1 upon V. Again, we'll write here. And now in the next step, we'll cross multiply. Here you will get VPV, that is the product of pressure and volume will remain constant, provided that the temperature and the amount of the gas is constant. So this, for any gas, if the temperature is constant, the product of pressure and volume will always remain constant. That is, if you increase pressure, volume will decrease, and if you increase the volume, pressure will decrease in the same amount, but the product will always remain constant. So this gives you the formula P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, which is always constant. So knowing the three quantities among this formula, we can calculate the remaining fourth quantity, provided that the units are same. Now if you plot a PV curve, that is pressure volume curve at constant temperature, then that curve is called as isotherm. Iso means same and therm means heat, energy, that is temperature. Isotherm, that a curve plotted at constant temperature is called as isotherm. So this is an isotherm. These are three isotherms shown. If you plot pressure versus volume at constant temperature, these are three isotherms of any given gas. If you plot pressure against pressure volume product at constant temperature, you will get a straight line because PV remains constant. And if you plot pressure and inverse of volume, you will get a straight line because they are directly proportional to each other. So you will get a straight line like this. Now I will solve a numerical based on Boyle's law. At constant temperature means that here we will apply Boyle's law. A gas occupies a volume of 200 ml at pressure 0.720 bar, which is when subjected to an external pressure of 0.900 bar. What will be the resulting volume of the gas? So at constant pressure, we know that we will apply Boyle's law. So the quantities required here, firstly we will write the quantities separately. Now the pressure 1, P1 is 0.720 bar, that is the initial pressure. And the volume occupied at this pressure is 200 ml. So we'll write here 200 ml. Now pressure P2, an external, if you are subjected to an external pressure of 0.900 bar, write the units also, because here units, if they are different, we have to convert it again, reconvert it. And this volume has been asked, what is the resulting volume of the gas? So these are the quantities, three quantities are given, and the fourth quantity we have to calculate. Now you check first, write these quantities correctly and then check the units on either side. Here there is unit bar of P1, again here unit is a bar, so no need of conversion. Here the unit is ml, so the answer will be in ml only. Now you write here by applying Boyle's law, the law which you are using, Boyle's law we are using, and first write the formula, that is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now you have to calculate V2, so we'll modify the formula according to V2, that is P1 V1 upon P2. Now you just substitute the values. P1 is 0.720, V1 is 200, and P2 is 0.900. Now you just solve this. We'll remove the decimal, cancel out the 0, and you will get here 72 into 200 divided by 90. Now again 1 0 will be cancelled out, 9 8s are 72, and that will come out to be 160, and the unit will be same as V1 because we have to find the answer in the same unit. So the final volume that will be occupied by the gas is 160 ml. So this is the answer of this numerical. In the next video, we'll deal with the next gas law, that is Charles' law.